Hello my crafty friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be doing an estate sale haul for you today. I had a dear friend, one of my planner friends, pass a couple of months ago, and her family put on an estate sale and invited all of us to come and kind of select some different items and help with some college fund for her kiddo, her grandbaby that had come. And yeah, so I wanted to support that. So I went to the estate sale and I did find some goodies, and I thought I would share them with you. So let's go ahead and dive in and show you all of the goodies that I bought. I'll start with these two punches. I bought this circle punch. This circle punch was actually given to me free. They had like kind of a bin of free stuff. So I went ahead and picked up this circle punch. And then I picked up this punch that has this really cool like design on it. Let me see if I have something I can punch. I actually haven't tested it yet to see if it works. So let's see. Yeah, that's really cool. It's got a little like design on the bottom. It makes a little punch design on the corner. And then when I was going, I definitely wanted something specifically that she created, that she made. So I did find this. I'm not 100% sure she made it. It does have her name on it. And I just thought this was really sweet little jar. So I'll probably end up putting like something in here, not sure what. And then I also, in the free bin, there was these little jars in there as well. So I went ahead and picked those up. I thought these were really cute. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them yet, but I'm sure I will find something. And then she had these big rolls of tickets that I was really excited to find. There's no way I'm ever going to use this many tickets. So I might put some of these on sale on my Etsy shop. If you are interested, I do have a link to my Etsy shop down below. So yeah, I'll put these on my Etsy, probably a big stack of them for, you know, fairly good money, because it didn't cost me hardly anything to purchase those. And then there was this other little book thing that she had created, and it's basically just a book with pages in it. I just thought this was pretty, the cover with the birdie on it. So I'll probably just display that somewhere and use that when I need scratch paper. She had these little cards that I thought would really cool. I'm going to be doing my December daily soon, and I thought these would work great. It's just different words on here, so most of them are kind of Christmassy words. So I just picked up a stack of those. She had a big stack of them, so I just picked up a stack. And then she had a bunch of trims and stuff, which I do not need any more trims. But I did find a couple that I just thought were just too pretty to pass up. So I have this little tiny trim, and then I had this doily. I love that it's like a diamond shaped. And then I just thought this was just really too beautiful to pass up. So I went ahead and picked this one up. It's like a really pretty, I don't even know what color this is, like a deep teal color. So I've got that. So I'm excited to add those to my collection. Another thing that I picked up that she made, she had a bunch of these little clipboard things that she had made, and this says a Happy Christmas to you. And then it's obviously a little clipboard with a flower detail on it. I just think it's really cute. I'll probably display this somewhere too. Maybe put different things for each of the holidays on here. Maybe put like a Christmas card or Thanksgiving card or something on there for each of the holidays. I picked up 2 sets of flowers. So I have the Prima flowers little packet, and then this really cool Prima Christmas packet. I'm going to leave this out to do with my Christmas stuff. Actually, I'm going to leave both of these out and put those with my Christmas stuff. This was the other thing that was in the free thing, probably because it has a big C on it. Obviously, my name is Crystal. Her name is Cheryl. But yeah, I just thought this would be perfect to write notes and stuff on. So I'll just keep this in my little thing over here by my desk. So when I need to take notes on stuff, I'll have that. And then a couple of other little bits and bops that were in some of the stuff. She had these cute little bingo cards that were Halloween bingo cards. I thought those were really cute, so I picked up the pack of those. And then again, kind of in the stack with these words, she had just a bunch of like random stuff in that stack, so I just picked up a stack of them, little 4 and a bunch of little like dollar flashcard things. And then this was also in there as well, these little cards that have these little stamps on them. They were cute. I figured I could use those in my junk journaling. And then I found this really cool sticker set that has the like doilies, and it's stickers, but it definitely feels like kind of like rubbery. So I thought those were really cool. And then she had a couple of sets of these removable multi-use labels that are kind of the craft ones. And I've been using a lot of craft. I like using craft stickers in my planner, so that's why I purchased those. Okay, and then the big treat was these 4 things that I got. So I got this pocket notes. I'm really excited that I got some really cool old paper. So it's just a little sheet of just old paper, and there is actually some pages in here that have handwriting. No, oh, sorry, wait. Not sure how old this is. This doesn't have a date on it, but it looks really old to me, so. And then I have, this one says 1945, and it's just a ledger page, and it's really cool, just really cool old paper, old ledger paper. There is some writing, doctors and dentists, drugs, so gas and light and water. So yeah, I just thought this was really cool to add to my collection of paper. And then I also purchased this one. Didn't even know it had this little thing in here. It says scrapbook. Oh, I did not even realize it had all this in here. That's kind of cool. I did not realize it had all this in here. Oh, these are cool, really old envelopes. Looks like there's a little note in here. Somebody was a nice, good draw. Yeah, and then, oh, this is from 1905. Jeez Louise. That is an old piece of paper. Wow. I had no idea this was in here. And then looks like there's a piece of, this looks like a ballot. Election. Oh, it's like a stock ballot from 1913. Huh. That's interesting. Let's see. This is just a, oh, that's really cool. Look at that. Picture of a chapel. And then a magazine. This is a newspaper. And what is this one? How old is this? 1933. And then there's different articles in here. This person was a good, drawings in here. I mean, I bought it for the paper. Didn't even know it had all that extra stuff in there. Oh, there's another little card thing. Yeah, this is really cool. So most of them have writing on it, but I'm sure I can find a couple pages in here that don't have writing, or like that one's got minimal. And maybe I can even, I don't know, sell some of the ones that do have writing. But yeah, I was really excited to find these kind of old books. I definitely was wanting to have some like older book pages to put in junk journals, so I'm really excited to have those too. And then I found this press-on Victorian Christmas book, and then I don't think this is actually old. I think this is just made to look old, so it just has like older pictures in it. So I love the holly berries and the birdies with the hollies. So yeah, so that's everything that I got at the estate sale. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I will see you again real soon. Bye for now.